Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm going to do a full polygel set on myself today. My prep is already done and my tips are already applied. I'm going to have the links to everything I used in the comment section pinned to the very top. I'm using Gershon. I think this is called Natural Pink, and I'm just using my Macart polygel brush. You can use any polygel brush. Every kit comes with one of these and they're all pretty much the same. So I'm just going to be filling in all of my nails with this polygel. Every finger is going to be the same pretty much, but I decided to keep it all in just in case you might find it helpful or something like that. And then I file off camera. So if you guys are curious about how I prepare the nails for application, how I file the nails, shape the nails, if you're curious about refills, removals, anything having to do with all the stuff that I don't usually show, I will have videos in the cards. The upper right hand corner of the screen, you will see a little eye. Click that and it will take you to those videos that will go more in depth on that. So this is after filing, and I'm using this gorgeous color called Neon Sun from Madam Glam. I'm going to do 2 layers of this, curing between each layer, and then I'm going to apply a top coat, and then after the top coat I decided to just go ahead and bling out the nails. I scuffed up the ring finger since there was going to be a lot of bling on there, but the other fingers I just went right in with the bling. So guys, this is the final result. Let me know what you think. Are you getting the big nail energy? Because I'm definitely feeling it. These are like my favorite nails I've ever done. I think I would literally actually wear these and reach for these when I'm going out to like put these on and feel a type of way. because they're just giving me so much freaking life. They are so loud. That's what I love. I love a long length, a loud color, and a lot of bling. So let me know what you guys think. If you are new, please subscribe, hit the notification, become part of this crazy nail family. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.